okay, I'm free to call the name of Jesus. You're not a skeleton now, Vanessa. I should not look at you, right? I'm a good girl. So who should I look at? Who should I look at?
Concentrate, Joe.
Jesus! No, these people are not even shouting. I love you, ma.
I love you too.
So I should just no until wait, I'm a good girl. No need of holding me now. She will do it. Now look at me, I go to eyeball. Jesus.
Just relax.
My problem is if you put it now, relax. Yes. Look at me. I should look at you, right? Jesus. Yeah, okay. The vein is a good vein. So you can call my mommy on phone.
Calm down now, this is not painful.
It's not painful. Relax.
Mommy!
Yeah, it's even flowing very fast.
Yeah, I don't know.
Relax.
Mommy, I have mommy, oh.
Hello guys, so there is a medical outreach going on in Oraifite, Anambra State. So it's an open heart surgery that is being carried out on people free of charge. So we have to do our bit. We went to the hospital. The name of the hospital is Dame Irene Memorial Hospital, Oraifite, Anambra State. So some group of people gathered themselves. They volunteered to donate blood for those that will go through the operation. So this is me now donating my own blood. During my own blood donation, we were like 10 or 12 of us that went to Oraifite for that exercise. Some other people also came from different other places for the same exercise. So this was our own bit, the least we could do to save humanity. Just watch the video and see how the whole exercise was carried out. So for this open heart surgery being done in Dame Irene Memorial Hospital in Oraifite is being sponsored by Sir Emeka Okwuosa Foundation in partnership with Voom Foundation in America. So most of the medical workers that do this operation, this open heart surgery operation, they do come down from US. Most of them are expatriates. We have people from here too that join them. Most of them, they just volunteer. They come down all the way from US to save humanity down here in Oraifite, Anambra State. Could you believe that? What could be more human than that? So, if we have much people like this in our society, the world will be a better place. The world will just become a better place. So that was why we thought it right that we have to contribute our bit, no matter how small. Even if it's just 1 pint of blood is enough, at least, to save humanity. Because after the operation, some of them might start bleeding, and they will need those bloods that we donated. They will need those bloods to survive. We deemed it fit to do it as is a necessary thing to do. Universal donor, right?
Yeah, well, it's not really all positive, it's all negative. You can give
But many people cannot give to you. But many cannot give to you. Only yourself.
As I said, you have advantage of saving lives.
At your own expense.
So you can only take from all positive. Tell yourself, ask you, study your blood. And I do blood group.
Your blood group? What's the name?
What's my own, please?
Your own is B.
B plus, right? Okay. Me? I didn't say it's O.
Okay, you always
I just want to reconfirm. You know that I don't want to get some of this people. Here we
go. Sorry.
Have you donated before?
Yeah.
And with AA, right?
No, we did not check the general.
Okay, you didn't check it. Okay. It's AA. I just want to confirm again.
There is one that
Last time I checked, 2013.
Okay, just okay.
And after the blood donations, we had some refreshments and they thanked us dearly for our kind-heartedness and support.
After the surgery, may start bleeding. You understand? And they just need like 3 to 4 pints of blood for them to be fine. And we've got like 10 pints already. If one person take like 4 or 8 pints, you know, so all your blood won't finish. So please, we want to encourage you. And as you have given, when you need help, God will send you help. Amen. You will never run out of help.
When does somebody
Offering time.